Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll learn how to add a website to the Google Search Console. So this is very easy to get it done. So in that case we need to create a Google Search Console. So go to Google Search Console dashboard. So just click on first link for Google Search Console tools, and click on start now. So once you click on start now button, you can see this kind of dashboard. Like, so we need to copy this our URL. This is our URL, just copy, and URL prefix, go to and paste it the URL and continue. So once we click on continue button, you can see to verify the ownership. So we need to download this file first. This is google.html file. Just download one, and once you download, we need to upload this to the root folder. So the point number one is download the file, and the two are upload to this. So we need to upload this file, HTML file, to the root folder. Then we need to verify the button. So let's go to a FileZilla. So this is our main folder for the website that is running WordPress. So this is our core files, WP admin, WP content, WP includes. So in this folder, the main folder of HTML, in the project folder, we need to import the HTML file to here. So how we can import? Just drag and drop here. So now you can see it's uploading into the HTML folder, the main root folder. So now it's imported. You can see google.html file has been uploaded. So now we will go to this section and verify the ownership. So let's verify. It's checking for verification. So now you can see ownership is verified. So now we need to click on go to property. So once you click on property, you can see our website html.wp-course.com. it's already listed over there. So now we can easily track the website performance and sitemap. We can also add our sitemap URL here. We can add the removals. We can see our performance, each and everything we can manage. This is for actually SEO purpose. So like this way we can easily add our website to the Google Search Console. Thank you.